Hello peeps, my name is TwistedGlasses and I'm here to help you and teach you how to unlink and separate video from audio in Sony Vegas Pro 15. As you can see in this video that I'm trying to edit, if I try to move the video track, it will move all the others. Even if I try to trim the video track, the audio tracks will be affected as well. There are two ways to do this, and the one that I'm showing you now is also the one that I use the most often. So, you simply select one of the tracks, it can be the video track or the audio track, and you will press the U key. For this example, I will select the first audio track. And now we can move this track freely without moving the other two. Because I just selected one of the tracks to unlink or ungroup, the other two will remain together as a group. You can do the same for the other audio track, and now you can move every track in this edit independently. Now, if you want to group the tracks together again, you can select them and right click on your mouse, go to Group and then click on Create New, or you can press G. And now they are together again. And in the same way, you can ungroup them instead of pressing the U key. That's it for this tutorial, and I hope this helped you in your works. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and please subscribe and support my channel.